Unlock your child's potential. Critical thinking activities every parent should try. Have you ever watched your child struggle with a problem, give up, and look to you for the answer? It breaks your heart because deep down, you know they're capable of so much more. In today's fast-paced digital world, children are surrounded by answers, but rarely challenged to ask the right questions. We teach them what to learn, but not how to think. That's where critical thinking comes in, a skill they'll use not just in school, but for life. At Rumki's educational channel, we bring learning to life through engaging, age-appropriate critical thinking activities designed to develop curiosity by encouraging children to ask why and how, problem-solving skills through fun logic games and real-life decision scenarios, independent thinking by letting them explore different solutions and explain their reasoning. Here's how we do it. Scenario challenges. We present real-life situations and ask, what would you do? This builds empathy, reasoning, and decision-making. Logic and pattern puzzles. From brain teasers to number sequences, these games sharpen observation and analytical skills. Creative problem activities. We turn ordinary situations into problem-solving opportunities, like planning a trip, managing money, or solving a mini mystery. Story-based thinking prompts. Stories with open-ended questions help kids reflect, imagine, and explain their thoughts clearly. These activities are simple, fun, and easy to use at home or in the classroom, with no expensive tools or screens required. If you're ready to see your child become a confident thinker, not just a quick answer seeker, dive into our full video, try one of the activities, and see the transformation yourself. Comment below and tell us, which thinking activity will you try first? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rumki's educational channel, where learning goes beyond books.